Folks, this place never gets old. Love this place from day one.
Fresh brisket on the board. Fresh brisket on the board.
YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today, you see where I'm at. I'm here with my boy Buc-ee the Beaver. We're at Buc-ee's. We're gonna go check out some of my favorite things at Buc-ee's. Let's go. Those of you who don't know about Buc-ee's, Buc-ee's is a chain of convenience stores, or you could call them travel centers. Started in Texas, they have over 40 locations in Florida, Georgia, Texas, and Alabama, and they are working on locations in Tennessee, Kentucky, South Carolina, and more. Buc-ee's in New Brunswick is known as the largest service station in the world. It is the biggest of all the Buc-ee's. There are a few smaller Buc-ee's locations, but pretty much all the ones along the interstate are the bigger locations, bigger chains. They have up to like 230 pumps at some locations. So starting the list of the top 10 things to do at Buc-ee's, the first one's obviously got to be the merchandise. The merchandise is special to me. Just like you're gonna hear me say a few times, they take a lot of pride in this place. The merchandise is one of those examples. You know, they take so much pride in here. You know, and I have a couple Buc-ee's coffee cups. I have like 3 or 4 shirts. You know, I have a couple magnets. You know, they make really good merchandise, you know, and it's really merchandise that shows that they have a great deal of pride in their product and who they are, and I really appreciate that. You don't love Buc-ee's? Well, I don't know what to tell you. The second thing I love about Buc-ee's is the barbecue. The barbecue is phenomenal, and this is just my own personal opinion. I find that the Texas locations have a little better barbecue than the Alabama location that I've been going to quite frequently, but the barbecue is really good. They make good brisket tacos. I enjoy the chopped beef sandwiches. There's a barbecue turkey sandwich. The pulled pork is very good, so it's a lot of different barbecue. Fresh. The third thing that I like about Buc-ee's is the roasted nuts, or the nut selection in general. You can get the roasted pecans, which is very good, and they come really, really fresh off the heat right there. You know, they roast them right back there in the back. Those are really good. You can also get all kinds of Buc-ee's fresh nuts right there, such as, you know, pistachios, peanuts, all types of roasted peanuts. You can get chocolate covered peanuts. I mean, the variety is stellar. Pecan. The fourth thing I love about Buc-ee's is going to be the fountain drinks. I'm not the type of person that's going to, you know, necessarily love to buy the big 64-ounce drinks all the time, but I think it's really cool, the variety. And they have the Buc-ee's variety. Buc-ee's cherry lime, Buc-ee's strawberry, plus all your Coke and Pepsi products. Huge variety. The next thing that I love about Buc-ee's is the pride that they take in their place. I mean, the pride is unbelievable. The pride is everywhere because Buc-ee is basically on every single piece of merchandise. Basically, there's nothing you can't buy in this store with Buc-ee the Beaver on it. You know, and the workers take a lot of pride in their stuff. They work really hard. They're really, really friendly. As soon as you walk in the door, they greet you. You know, I mean, and, you know, when they came up with the idea of Buc-ee's, I mean, how can you not sell your product better than to put Buc-ee the Beaver's face literally on everything? I have that shirt right there, class of 2020, most likely to buy, voted most likely to wear a shirt with his face on it. I would not put my face on a shirt, but I'd put Buc-ee the Beaver's face on it. But literally, they put Buc-ee the Beaver's face on everything, and that shows a great deal of pride in their product. So that's one thing that I really, really love about Buc-ee's, and it's really impressive how when you walk around, you literally see the pride everywhere, every aisle, on every product, everything. The jerky selection is the sixth thing I love about Buc-ee's. I mean, there's such a huge variety of jerky. I like jerky. I'm not the biggest jerky fan, but I really like how they have all the different types of beef jerky, and they have turkey jerky. They have all different types. So if you're someone who really enjoys the different types of fresh jerky and spicy jerky, or you enjoy, you know, the Slim Jim type jerky, they also have that too. But I've never been anywhere in my life where you could get this type of variety of jerky. Buc-ee's is truly the king of jerky. I mean, they have ghost pepper jerky. They have maple cherry jerky. They have ghost pepper jerky. They have roasted pepper jerky. I mean, pretty much any type of jerky you can imagine. I mean, hell, they probably even have herky jerky. Even though I'm not sure exactly what herky jerky is, but I'm pretty sure they have it, because if it's got jerky in it, they probably have it at Buc-ee's. Seventh thing I love about Buc-ee's is the cleanest restrooms. And this is one of the signs of somewhere that truly takes pride in their business. And this is one of the things that, you know, you don't find. A lot of people will go out of their way just to wait to go use the bathroom in Buc-ee's, because their restroom's going to stay clean. I'm not going to go all the way in and do anything, show anything disgusting. But yeah, their restroom's amazing. They keep it so clean, you can pretty much eat off the floor. The next thing I love about Buc-ee's is the gas pumps. The gas pumps at Buc-ee's. Some locations I mentioned have well over 200 to 230 or so gas pumps. 260 gas pumps, I think, was the most I've seen. 261 right here in this video. 262. Can I get a 263? Can I get a 264? Can I get a 265? No, but so many gas pumps. No matter how busy this place is, you will always have somewhere to go pump your gas. Ninth thing I love about Buc-ee's is the snacks. The snacks are truly on point, from all the little gummy candies, which are really good, by the way. You got the animal crackers, the Buc-ee's animal crackers, the Buc-ee's cotton candy, the little dot Twizzlers, you know. There's just so many snacks at Buc-ee's. And the number one snack of them all, you got to have the beaver nuggets. That's right. And the beaver nuggets come in all variety. There's not just one type. You see the cinnamon beaver nuggets. You see the milk chocolate. You see the white fudge. Next is the desserts. The desserts at Buc-ee's are truly on point as well. I mean, talking about the fudge is really good. They have really good fudge. You got brownies. You also have like your cinnamon rolls and things like that on the other side of the bakery that you can get. And those are also phenomenal. The sweets at Buc-ee's, like, it's really hard to get out of this place with these pastries and all, and get out of this place not spending a whole wad of money. I know I spend too much money. The cookies are good. The cinnamon rolls are good. You would think that this video is sponsored by Buc-ee's, but it's not. I'm just a big fan of this place, and there's a whole box of sweets right there. Buc-ee's is phenomenal. I love this place. It is definitely one of those places where, you know, anytime you're driving and there's one within 100 miles, make a detour. And I include the fruit in the snacks category. They have really good fruit as well. You know, a lot of good fruit cups, healthy options, salad. If you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. As always, remember, live today, grow today. Tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace.